A few days ago, I came across a video from this channel called Elderly Wisdom. The thumbnail had long text all over it, there was barely any editing, and to be honest, I just scrolled past it. It didn't look interesting at all. But then, a few days later, another video from the same channel appeared on my feed, this time with over 1 million views. And I just sat there thinking, how is this even possible? I checked the channel, and what I saw completely shocked me. This guy gained over 200K subscribers in just 3 weeks, and by the time you're watching this, he's probably even bigger. So I started watching his videos, trying to understand what made them work. And here's what I realized: he's making content specifically for older people. Simple life advice, ways to stay happy and healthy, things that truly matter to them. And here's the key: unlike younger audiences, older people aren't looking for crazy effects or fast-paced edits. They want something that feels genuine, real, and personal, and that's exactly why this channel is growing so fast. Oh, and let me tell you something important: this channel is monetized. I checked everything, and yes, they're making money from this. Now, in today's video, I'll show you exactly how you can create videos like this, maybe even better, and get the same kind of success. But here's the thing: you need to pay close attention. If you miss even one detail, you could lose out on a massive opportunity. Our first step is finding video ideas that elderly people genuinely care about. They are most interested in topics like health, happiness, financial security, and life advice. Simple, relatable content that feels real and meaningful works best. To make this easier, we'll use DeepSeek, a powerful free AI tool that helps find video ideas elderly people actually want to watch. For that, we will command DeepSeek very strategically. We will simply ask DeepSeek, I make videos that target the interests of elderly people, topics like health, happiness, financial security, and life advice. I want you to come up with some interesting, engaging, and emotionally connective video topics that can make them happy and comfortable to watch. Just hit enter, and DeepSeek will start coming up with video ideas specifically made for elderly people. If you make videos on these topics, you will 100% attract elderly viewers. And since they don't have short attention spans, they are more likely to watch until the end. This results in higher retention, sending a positive signal to the algorithm. And that's exactly how Elderly Wisdom is growing so fast. This is one step for getting video ideas. But if you truly want to maximize your chances of breaking through within your first few videos, I suggest following this second method as well. So let's head back to Elderly Wisdom. What you need to do is set the filter to Popular and open up their most popular video. After that, simply open the description and scroll down until you find the Show Transcript option. Click on it, and the entire transcript of the video will appear. All you need to do is copy the entire transcript and head back to DeepSeek. Provide DeepSeek with a transcript and ask it to remove the timestamps and provide you with a clean script. DeepSeek will instantly remove the time marks, leaving you with just the script. But it doesn't end here. Of course, we won't use this script as it is. That could lead to copyright issues. Instead, we will ask DeepSeek to rewrite the script for us. This way, DeepSeek will rewrite the entire script, making it unique and different from the original Elderly Wisdom script. This ensures we stay safe from copyright strikes, while still having a full script ready in seconds. You can then use this script to create your own version of a similar video. Since the algorithm already has data about this type of content and its potential, it's highly likely to push your video as well. And once you start gaining traction and building an audience, you can easily write your own unique scripts using the first method I mentioned at the start. Once we have the script, we can start gathering stock footage for our video. But we both know there are parts of a script where finding the right footage is nearly impossible. For those moments, we'll use AI-generated visuals. First, we'll give DeepSeek another command to help us generate image descriptions for each specific scene in our script. DeepSeek will provide a list of detailed prompts, which we can later use to create high-quality images with AI tools. Now let's move on to generating our images. For this, we'll be using a free text-to-image tool called PicLumen. Simply copy and paste your first image prompt into PicLumen, and at the end of the prompt, add these extra presets for better quality: highly detailed, hyper-realism, digital art, and 4K. Next, select a good image model. PicLumen offers several interesting models, so try them out and find the one that works best for your video. Adjust the aspect ratio to 60 16:9, which is ideal for long YouTube videos. And set the number of images to 2, so PicLumen generates 2 variations at a time. Hit enter, and within seconds, your images will be ready. The best part? PicLumen is completely free with no limits on how many images you can generate, making it one of the best free alternatives to Midjourney. If you're not satisfied with the results, you can regenerate the images or move on to the next prompt. Always remember to add extra presets at the end of every prompt to ensure high-quality, visually striking images. Since we have the images, we can now easily animate them using an AI tool called Clipfly. On the homepage, you'll see tons of images transformed into videos with incredibly realistic animation quality. Simply click on AI Photo Animator, and once redirected, upload your first image. After uploading, you can choose how many video variations you want to generate for that image. Clipfly offers 3 quality modes, ranging from average to the highest possible quality. I recommend selecting Professional mode to balance quality and credits. You'll also see an optional description box where you can specify the animation style you want. For movement amplitude, I suggest keeping it at medium. This ensures the animation isn't too slow or too fast, but maintains a natural balance. Below that, you'll find different video styles, but I recommend not selecting any style to keep the animation natural. Once done, simply hit Generate Video, and within seconds, your animated image will be ready. Clipfly offers highly precise animations, and you'll see the impressive results yourself. After your video is ready, download it and repeat the process for your remaining images. For stock footage, you can use websites like Pexels, which offers thousands of high-quality clips. You can also check Canva and Pixabay to find additional footage for your video. So now that we've collected the footage, we'll move on to generating our voiceover before finally editing everything in CapCut. For the voiceover, we'll be using DapDab. Simply head to the Voiceover tab, copy your script from DeepSeek, and paste it into DapDab. Next, go to More Voiceovers, and while selecting all voices, apply the Ultra filter. This ensures that DapDab provides only high-quality, ultra-realistic voices. Once you've selected a voice, play it back to check how natural it sounds.
Do you ever wonder how much time you truly have left after turning 70? As the years go by, each one feels more valuable, and your body is already sending you subtle hints about your longevity.
As you can see, the voice is pretty realistic, and it feels just like an actual human speaking. After finalizing your voiceover, simply hit Export. Select MP3 format, and then export it again, and that's it. Your voiceover is now downloaded and ready for editing. Now that we have everything, footage, AI visuals, and voiceover, let's bring it all together in CapCut for the final edit. First of all, we will simply place the voiceover on the timeline. I strongly suggest you remove the silent areas from the entire voiceover. Cutting out silent parts in the voiceover is super important because long pauses can make the video feel slow and boring. When the audio flows smoothly, it keeps people engaged and makes the content more enjoyable to watch. After that, you just need to place your visuals on the timeline. Make sure to place the visuals exactly where they fit in the timeline. Each scene should match what's being said at that moment. A slight mismatch can make the video feel off. At first, placing visuals on the timeline might seem difficult, but with practice, it gets much easier, and you will eventually get used to it. After that, I would strongly suggest not over-editing things. Keep them smooth, just add a smooth and cinematic black fade transition between the clips so that they feel relaxing and professional. You don't need to add the black fade transition between each clip one by one. Simply click on Apply to All, and the transition will be automatically applied between all the clips. Usually, whenever we make videos, we add effects to make them more engaging. But in this case, for the elderly niche, I suggest not wasting time on effects because, as I said, elderly people don't care much about such stuff. But most importantly, make sure to add captions, and CapCut has an auto captions feature available. Some elderly people may have difficulty hearing, and besides, captions also increase the retention of a video by a solid 40% according to research. The best part is that CapCut has free templates for captions. You can simply choose a good template for the captions. It's that simple. Make sure to adjust the size of the captions so that they are neither too small, making them difficult to read, nor too big, going out from the sides. Then just place them at the bottom of the screen. Finally, you can add relaxing music, which you can easily download from YouTube copyright-free music channels. Just make sure to credit the channel in the description of your video. Also, make sure to reduce the volume of the background music so that it blends in well with the voiceover. And that's it. Our video is finally ready. Let's take a look at it.
Do you ever wonder how much time you truly have left after turning 70? As the years go by, each one feels more valuable, and your body is already sending you subtle hints about your longevity. Some people in their 70s remain vibrant, energetic, and mentally sharp, while others begin to slow down, facing health challenges and fatigue. The key difference often lies in a few critical, small but powerful clues that can offer insight into your future. In this video, we'll explore 7 key indicators that can help you understand how long you might live after 70. These aren't just guesses, they're based on real research and observations.
Okay guys, coming down to the final step of video creation, thumbnail designing. If you take a look at the thumbnails of elderly wisdom videos, you will see that they are extremely basic, completely opposite to the advice that gurus give, yet they pull in millions of views. So, simply head over to Canva and make sure to select the YouTube thumbnail preset. After that, pay close attention to the sidebar. Head to Uploads and upload one of the best images that you generated earlier in PicLumen. Choose an image that truly represents the whole video and clearly conveys what the viewer can expect. Once uploaded, place the image on the design page and stretch it across the entire canvas. Then, go to the Text tab and add a text box. In this text box, write 3 to 4 words that summarize your video. This should be a powerful, concise phrase that grabs attention. Place the text in a suitable position on the image where it looks visually appealing and adjust its size accordingly. From the Effects section, you can enhance the text by adding a shadow, stroke, or any other effect that fits well with the image. Once everything looks perfect, simply click on Share and download your thumbnail. And that's it. If you need any help, feel free to join my Discord community from the link in the description.